Okay, so we're coming up on the phase 2 completion, which is our office areas and our customer lounge as well as our employee lounge. Phase 1, by the way, was the Komori Graphics Center, which you saw previously. And phase 3 will be our warehouse, which is where we house all our parts for distribution. So come this way, I'll show you this way. It's still a bit of a mess, and we have not actually started phase 3 of our construction, but we're getting there. We've actually added a few things so we can clear things out to be more efficient. The best use of space is to take a lot of our small parts in our racking in our inventory and put them into our brand new vertical storage systems. So we got 2 vertical storage systems, and basically you're going to be able to take, I would say, 80% of the parts that we have, which are small in nature, and we're going to be able to put them in the vertical lifts. Not only is it better for space, but also for pick and pack accuracy. We'll be able to, you hit a number, basically a part number, it will actually come down, point out the part, we pick it, we place it, we ship it, and it'll automatically bill from our new ERP system. And also, I think one of the big benefits is it's going to really reduce our inventory time. Every year we do inventory at the end of March, and it's really going to simplify that process and just make us overall more efficient. Again, this will be phase 3, but we're going to become more efficient on our case supply business as well, adding additional racking, additional products for sale. We're still going to be doing our roller recovering, as well as all chemicals and things of that nature for better efficiencies. So here's an order, spare parts order. They print this out. They come over here. They would take 4 of these packs out. It would automatically take it out of inventory. They place it in a box and they ship it out. And then, as I had mentioned before, automatic billing and automatic reduction of our inventory. So eventually, once all these parts are moved into the vertical storage units, we will be taking down all these mezzanines to have proper racking systems with more automation behind it. It's really going to free up a lot of the space. Again, we're consolidating 2 other facilities into this, so that's going to enable us to do that very well.